Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Dynamics 365 email templates with server-side sync, full guide step-by-step clearly. To verify Dynamics 365 email templates with server-side sync, start by logging into your Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the settings area of your Dynamics 365 environment. Select the email templates option from the menu. Choose an email template that you want to verify. Open the selected email template to review its content. Ensure that all dynamic fields and placeholders are correctly populated. Check for any syntax errors in the email body. Next, navigate to the email configuration settings. Verify that server-side sync is enabled for your organization. If server-side sync is not enabled, configure it according to your organization's needs. Once verified, return to your email template. Use the Send Test Email function to check the template in action. Enter a valid recipient email address for the test. Preview the email to confirm that it displays correctly. Send the test email and wait for confirmation. Check the recipient's inbox to ensure the email was received. Review the email content for any discrepancies. If issues arise, return to the template for adjustments. After making changes, repeat the process to verify the updated template. For thoroughness, test additional templates using the same method. Keep track of changes and test results for future reference. This process ensures that your email templates are correctly synced and functional. Conclude by documenting any findings for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.